How to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Instagram, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, then click on three lines at the top right. In here, simply click on Time Management. In Time Management, you will find Sleep Mode. Click on Sleep Mode. After that, in here at the top, turn off sleep mode. Make sure white circle is on the left side. After you have done that, press on save at the bottom and it will be saved and your sleep mode will be turned off. This is how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.